What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I want to do a talking video on the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. Because, well, I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. Because I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year. I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year. Because this thing has been saying since the last month, and you can see, but I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. But, I do like this thing a lot because you have to push the safety down. You have to go to the gate you can see, because if you don't, because it's not going to do anything you can see. So it's definitely what it is exactly on this machine exactly. So I do hope somebody this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, because it did get used last month, you can see. But it's definitely how much they expected this thing exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly. But it's not a very bad looking machine in my opinion. But you can see it definitely looks it looks pretty good exactly. I do like this model, you can see. But if you see this thing is gonna get used, I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 this year, because you know how much expected this thing exactly, because you can see how much we expected this thing exactly, because I do hope some point this thing will get used this year. But and other than that, it's definitely not as bad as you think it is exactly, because you can see how much is expected. I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025. But I promise this thing will get used this year for 2025.